Hello everyone, welcome back to Unboxing with Scott. Today we're checking out the R3 Pro smartwatch. Let's show you guys what's inside the box. Alright guys, so inside the box they give you a manual how to sync it, how to download. Nice manual. They give you the charging cable, which is magnetic charged. So you plug this into any USB port and you plug that in and it connects with a magnet and it charges. They give you a Velcro strap, as well as it looks like a silicone strap that's already on. And this is the watch. To activate the watch, go ahead, turn it upside down, take your magnetic charger. Looks like it probably goes this way. And once you do that, it will send a signal to your watch. And now your watch will start turning on. And now is when you can set everything up. So, it says fully charged. So now what you do is you disconnect and then you scan the code that it shows. Make sure you follow the app and download the app and follow that information. We're not going to give away too much stuff. I don't like to give everything out because then there's nothing to be excited for. But check out your app and the listing. So guys, this is the app. Now you can scan your code. You guys can swipe up. You can do your texting. Well, your messages anyway. See the manual on that information. You got all different settings. If you swipe over, you got steps, says how far, your kcals. You can customize all of this, your blood pressure, heart rate, SpO2, temperature, sleep. You got weather for tomorrow. So all this stuff can be customized and changed. Again, check out your app for more information. And this is all touch screen. You got training. So if you tap training, then you got running, cycling, skipping, swimming, badminton, table tennis, tennis, and all these other ones. I mean, all these different things you have. All of these are all different. You got stats. So then you can see all your stats at one spot. You have your heart rate, you got blood oxygen, you got body temperature, sleeping, you got breathing, you got weather, you got music, you got messages, you got stopwatch, a timer, you have flashlight, you have find, and then you have settings. So flashlight just makes the screen white, so in the dark you can easily see. There's so much. You got dial, so you can change the logo of your dial here, which is so cool, guys. And I'm sure you could get more as well. Overall, this is a really nice watch, guys. I'm going to wear it for probably a week or so and let you guys know my final opinion. So see you guys in a little bit. Alright guys, I am back. After wearing it for about 4 days, I like it. It tracks about the same as normal watches would track. So overall, it is nice. I do like it a lot. It's a nice, yeah, it's a nice, simple tracking smartwatch.